When we actually sell to a customer, we like to sell solutions. We like to sell innovation for them to make them more productive. We do things in our plant to alter a design of a package that will help them in their efficiencies when they're packing their products, their materials.
We take a solutions-oriented approach. A lot of times I'll work with my director of sales, creative director, our design team.
We're definitely team-oriented, and we have a solutions team. We gather from all different departments to make sure that the product that the customer is expecting is what they receive.
And what we'll do is we'll collaborate and then go to meet with customers as a team, and that helps us to come up with more diverse ideas. So what we can do is we recently did a comparison where we quoted it two ways, and we could see that based on a certain volume, it was a cost savings for our customer.
We have production, we have design, we have structural design, we have creative, the graphics, and customer service, and there's someone in each of those departments that comes together to help with the solution for a different product.
We want you not to have to worry about boxes, displays. We want that to be the last thing you worry about.